This item is from order A021302648. This is the Mods Pack 35 APV Bots Mod. SKU is 1959701. This is the mod here. There's a defective USB port. Here's the charger. Here's the cable that came with it. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate that this cable works. I don't know if you can.
Rectangle.
I was kind of expecting for it to get a little clear, but
I needed the square. No, I wonder why you just didn't find a square.
okay, there it is there. Okay, so we do see that that works there. Okay, now unplug it. Power goes off. Plug it back in. Light comes back on. Good. Now I'm going to plug up to the mod.
Why did they cut in that half? So they can. That's the part that people drive in.
Oh,
the squares were they trying. I'm still hungry. Still hungry?
there. It's in. There's a little diode that's on it that when it's not charged is red. When it is charged is green. And as you can see, it's plugged in. The diode's not on. Okay, I need your help right now. Hold the phone. Watch your finger because it's in front of the camera. Angle it down.
Here?
Yeah.
What am I pointing at?
Right there. That's good. When I press, you see the light comes on. When I let go, it goes off. It's supposed to be on right now. Now I have to come hold and press hard. Now it comes on. Now it's off again. That's the defect.